Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie and Lola Tallulah, and I am here to do a little art supply haul, show and tell, so forth. Said I wasn't going to buy any more colored pencils, but I saw these in several videos, so I wanted to try them and see what was going on with them. So let me show you. Now, this first pack is some Lyra Color Giants Skin Tones. And there's what, 12 pieces in here, and it's always hard to find skin tones that aren't your cream color. So I thought I would try these, and the fact that they were large and jumbo, so I was like, okay. Now I also have some Lyra Watercolors, and I like those. I don't use them very often, but I like them, so I thought I would get this and try them. I got them on Amazon, and I'll put a link down below if they're still there. And so, look at these. These are so fabulous. And it's pretty cool because it has a 6.3 millimeter core. And, look at the barrel. So one, it's not going to be rolling all over the place. And then two, look at that. Look how big that is. So here's this in comparison to an ink pen. Look at that. I mean, the core is bigger than the ink pen. And in comparison to like another colored pencil, look at that. What? So huge. And you know, I color a lot, so having a thicker pencil is definitely handy because, you know, oh, look at my big old man hands. So now, of course, you'll have to have a bigger, you know, pencil sharpener to work with these. So that would be an issue. But look at all these. So awesome. I'm just going to take a little piece of paper here. And I usually use 65-pound cardstock. So, ooh, they go down smooth too. Look at that. Woohoo! See that? Ooh. Ooh, I like these. So you got that one. And then we can put this one next to it. Ooh, that feels creamy. Creamy, smooth. Look at that gorgeous color. Can you see that? And that's just on some regular old cardstock. Now let's see what happens when you put them over. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it's pretty. I like that. So let's just go ahead and... Okay. Then we got this one. I love that color. Now I'm going to make a swatch chart and put it with these. But this is just so that you can see. Woohoo! Loveliness here. All right. So I like it because they have some nice colors in here. Ooh, yes. And they are also comfortable. Like, I hold my pencil and my pens and stuff are really tight. So, having a bigger one is awesome. Now, I did see some other colors, like a pastel color. So, I might have to go and get that now. I don't know, girls. Ooh, look at that. Look at all those colors. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. So that is pretty cool. So those came today. Oh, I love that. Oh. And the wood is not shiny. It's not like lacquered very much. So it has a lovely feel in the hand if you like that kind of thing, which I do. So that was this set. And then I kept seeing a lot about this set of colored pencils. These Markart, and these were on Amazon.com. And I saw several videos, and they were comparing them to polychromos and Prismacolors. And I personally don't like Prismacolors, so the ones I had, I sold off in a D-stash. But I thought it'd be interesting to try these out. And the one thing is, you definitely have to realize that color pencils, regardless of whether they're wax or oil, definitely have a different feel and lay down than markers. So if you're used to doing alcohol coloring without doing color pencil, it does take a minute to get adjusted to that. I was doing some coloring and I'm like, what the devil? Why isn't it? Oh, it's color pencil, not markers. Okay, so anyway, clearly on the front, you can see that it looks like an Arteza box, which I have heard nothing really good about their color pencils. So I'm not sure why this company would go ahead and like try to mimic a brand that there were lots of negative reviews for. But whatever, it's not my company. So I guess they'll do what they want. It comes in a tin, and you can see on the front they have color swatches. And then they also have it on the inside. And the person that I was watching, I think it was Color My World, and a couple other people were talking about how it's Quorum color. And they basically have like the, said another kind of name of, and I can't remember. But anyway, so it comes with this little plastic piece that comes over this. You've got your colors here. And let's see if I can do a, you knew I was going to pick a blue one, right? So, made in China. They say expert. They got their little band, and they got the color number. So, number 38. And it looks like they're numbered. They're kind of color grouped and numbered that way. So, 38. They do have an interesting feel to them. They're kind of smooth. So that's interesting. And then there's a second tray of colors. I'll just move that over. So then you have the second tray of colors. Now, my thing is I like tins because I don't like to take them out. But I don't know if I'm feeling this plastic. It feels kind of, I don't know. But anyway, look at these colors. They're so pretty. And I like this set here, at least on the pencil. So that's interesting. And look at this pretty color. Woohoo! Gorgeousness. So I can't wait to play with these, do a color swatch and see how they work. And then I want to compare them to my Brett thinners. And I'll show you those real quick because I did show them in the video. And I did a little coloring with them before. So I want to compare these to the Brut Thinner, I guess is how you say it. The Brut Thinners. Compare them to these. So that will be interesting. So I did do some coloring with this, and I did some coloring with this on 2 different types of paper, and I did some alcohol coloring on 2 different types of paper. So I'll show that in another video too. Anyway, so those are my new art supplies that I got, and I have to quit buying art supplies now because I have tons of them. Plus I have the whole set of Spectrum Noirs. So maybe I'll do a comparison of all 3. So if you would like to see a comparison of these and the Brut Thinners and the Spectrum Noirs, I can do that in some kind of video later on. All right, thanks for watching, and I will try to put links to these below so that you can see all 3 of them and decide whether you want to. And I will try to put them as affiliate links, which means it doesn't cost anything extra for you. It would just help me out a little bit. If you purchase from the link. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and I shall see you guys later. Be safe out there.